All right, y'all. So right now what we're looking at is UJ USD JPY. It's a signal that I just sent to the signal chat. This setup looks super clean, so I want to break this down with y'all. Also live action, so that way we can see this. Also, I just sent this to the signal chat. It was at 9:30 p.m. So literally just like a minute or 3 minutes ago. All right. So as you can see, the market was hovering up in here, building up some data, lots of structure that was building up. One thing for sure, you can see a nice resistance level where the market attempted to break up and come back down and retest it. So seeing this overall, looking at this setup, is basically a 23.6 setup. As you see, we start to hover up in this area and forming some support. And as I seen price started to push up to potentially break through this resistance level, I went down to the 15 and also the 30-minute time frame and look at how price was looking. And as you can see, you have a nice break, back-to-back bullish candles, confirming this break of structure, break of resistance, and then we have a retest, break, retest. Simple A, B, C setup, right? Boom, boom, and then potentially push up to the upside to our fib target, which is the negative 27% on the 1 hour fib. So, also 15-minute entry time frame, you can see we have a nice bullish engulfing, nice entry confirmation right there on the 15. So that's also super clean. And I believe on the 30 minutes, probably gonna look at, yep, boom, nice bullish engulfing with a nice bullish candle, nice seller's exhaustion at the bottom side of that candle. So very nice opportunity right here. So looking at this on the 1 hour, again, you can see our fib target is at the negative 27% on the fib, and that's all the way up here at 153.630 basically. So a nice 1 and 2 risk reward opportunity, super clean. But that's what we're looking at for UJ, man. Overall, it's bullish. It's been moving. It's been giving nice bullish 23.6 setup type of thing right here and here. So we're just going along with the trend, bro. 1 hour bullish, 4 hour bullish, above the moving average. Looks super clean right now on the 4 hour as well. So that's where we at right now. Also on a daily, look at this. On a daily, bro, reacting off of this daily moving average, and we're above the moving average using that support. So it's a lot of good things that we can see, but one thing for sure, we got time frame correlation going on all these time frames, man. So that's what I'm looking at on UJ. I like this setup and I feel like it's super clean. So I want to make this video now just so we have this recorded before things get playing out. But that's pretty much it, man, for UJ. So other than that, I'll make this now, and hopefully we can update this and we hit TP and we hit a nice little target. So other than that, peace out. I'm out of here. Love y'all, man.